Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson we're going to be doing another exercise on pronunciation of difficult words, difficult or confusing words in this case. So let's switch over and get our document, our work screen. Here we have it right here. This is going to be lesson 55, pronunciation of difficult words, number 12. So this is the group of words that we're going to be working with today. Okay, so I'm going to say them one time. I always say that, but I end up saying them like twice or more than twice. So I'm going to say them a couple of times and you just have to listen to how I pronounce them and you do the same. So here we go. Here's our first word. Likelihood, likelihood. Launch, launch. Build, build. It's like that U is not even there. Build. Now these two words are a special request from one of my students who seems to mix them up all the time when speaking, pronouncing, and writing. So here they are. Rich and reach. Rich, reach. Ear and hear. My students mix these two up all the time. This one, ear, does not start with a H. Hear starts with a H. Ear, hear. These two, same problem. Scar with no E, and with the E, the sound changes. Scare. Scar, scare. Said. Now this is the past tense of the verb to say. And when we pronounce it, we say said, like if it were written S-E-D, said. Now here's a group of words that end in E-D and they don't sound at all like the pronunciation of what we learned in the past with E-D on verbs. And that's because these are not verbs, these are actually adjectives. So the pronunciation is a little bit different from the rule that we learned with the past tense verbs. So listen to how I pronounce these. Beloved, beloved. Blessed, blessed. Naked, naked. Rugged, rugged. Crooked, crooked. Three-legged, three-legged. And there's one more here, but it's not an adjective. This word here is a noun, and we pronounce it moped, moped. Herein, herein. Like the word here and the word in, put them together, herein. Therein, therein. The word there, the word in, put them together, therein. Bias, bias. Salmon. Do not pronounce that L in salmon. Leopard. Don't pronounce that O. Leopard. Eligibility. Eligibility. Recidivism. Recidivism. Lawnmower. Lawnmower. Kindergarten. Now this one is a little tricky because we write it with a T here, but we actually pronounce a D. Kindergarten, just like the garden where you grow your vegetables. Beneficial, beneficial. Measles. Now these two S's both sound like a Z. Measles. Miscarriage, miscarriage. Pedagogical, pedagogical. Okay, so now if you've done the other lessons on pronunciation of difficult words, you know what to do right now. And that is to put this video on pause and look up these words in your dictionary so that you will be better prepared to understand the practice sentences that we are going to do as soon as you come back from the pause. So I will wait right here for you guys. Go and look up these words and then come back. Okay, put the video on pause now. Good, so we're back from the pause, and that was very good. You guys did a great job looking up all of those words in your dictionaries. So let's get started on these practice sentences. So all you have to do is listen carefully and repeat the following sentences after me. Herein, do you consent to the disclosure of the information provided herein? Therein, he sold the property and all the items therein. Eligibility. There are specific eligibility requirements that you must meet in order to apply for that program of study. Pedagogical. Pedagogical days, or we say PED days for short, are reserved times for teachers to learn from and share with other teachers. Beneficial. It is likely to have a quick and beneficial effect on the economy. Bias. Most of his opinions and writings are founded on personal bias. Hear. Speak louder because I can't hear you. Ear. He wears an earring in his left ear. Miscarriage. Is there any evidence that stress can cause a miscarriage? Leopard. I never saw a leopard in this region. Kindergarten. My son is in kindergarten and he just adores his teacher and classmates. Likelihood. In all likelihood, there will be some drastic changes on our organizational chart. Build. We want to build an extra room onto our house to have a bigger office. Launch. We will launch our new product in the coming weeks. Rich. He wrote several bestsellers and now he is rich and famous. Reach. I can't reach the bowl on the top shelf. Recidivism. Many new programs were put in place with the goal of reducing the rate of recidivism. Said. He said he wanted to leave before midnight. Salmon. Salmon can live in both fresh water and salt water. Moped. Why do you want to sell your moped? Blessed. The blessed rain was welcome after the blistering heat of the summer months. Beloved. His beloved grandfather passed away a few years ago. Naked. You can't see the virus with the naked eye. Rugged. The mountain was too steep and rugged to climb. Crooked. Why are all the pictures on the wall crooked? Three-legged. Who won the three-legged race at the annual company picnic? Measles. Measles is caused by a virus and is one of the most contagious diseases in the world. Lawnmower. Should I buy a battery-powered, gas, electric, or robotic lawnmower? Scar. How did you get that scar on your forehead? Scare. That costume will surely scare the children. And that's all you have to do to correctly pronounce those difficult or confusing words. Okay, so now if this lesson helped you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also hit the notification bell. That way you will know when I put up another video for you. If you would like to leave a comment, ask a question, or make a suggestion of a new word or letter combination that you would like to see in these difficult words or in any of the other pronunciation lessons, you can go ahead and put it down below. If you guys need to improve your English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This is the 3rd edition. It is available everywhere, including Amazon, of course, published by McGraw-Hill. This is a progressive working package, so I suggest that you start on the first page, you complete every single page right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. Also, if you're having difficulty with your verb tenses, you can get yourselves a copy of English Verb Tenses, also available on Amazon. This book was designed just to focus on improving and mastering your English verb tenses. The answer key is at the back to support you while you're learning, and you will see using the book that English verb tenses are easy and not difficult. Also, a couple of other things that I have to say that I wrote a little paper for notes so I don't forget this time. There are many other pronunciation lessons on my YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and flip through those. You can choose the ones that you have difficulty with, or you can do all of them, which is a better idea. Also, oh yes, I have a new Facebook page. It's called Learn English with Julie Lachance. So you can go over to Facebook and like my page, and I'll be putting up a whole bunch of stuff for you guys there. What else? Oh yes, subscribe, like, comment, question, suggestion. Yeah, I said everything. Okay, so that's all I have to say. So you're lucky there. So you guys have a great evening, and I will see you, you know when, in the next lesson. So good night for now.